Each ambassador is given their own online dashboards, which makes it very easy to submit referrals, track the progress of the referrals submitted, and manage the rewards earned when referrals have a proposal sent out with a quote, which earns $100 each, as well as referred completed installations, which earn $1,000 each. To access your dashboard for the very first time, you can navigate to greenhomesystems.com/ambassador and click on Login. You'll be taken to another page where you can click on Login again at the top of the page. You'll then be taken to a page where you can click on Continue with Email. A window will open up where you can enter your email address. After submitted, an email will be sent to you with a link to access the Green Home Ambassador portal, which is your exclusive online dashboard. Your portal can remain open for 365 days. You only have to run this setup once a year. Your dashboard is extremely easy to navigate. There are separate tabs for My Dashboard, which is your home page, My Referrals, which is where all of your referrals will post as well as be updated when they advance to a billable status, My Rewards, which show you all of the commissions you have earned. This will only show new commissions going forward with the new platform and not any commissions you may have earned in the past. And also a My Account tab, which just shows you your contact info. On your My Dashboard homepage, the two main functions are the Add Referrals button and the Referral link. The Add Referrals button is used when you are submitting referrals yourself. When clicked, it brings up a window which only requires the referral's name, phone number, and email address. There is also a field for member notes where you can enter additional information such as the referral's street address if you have that info. Once the form is completed and you click on Submit Referral, it will upload into our system and one of our solar specialists will follow up with them right away. The second main function on your dashboard is your referral link, which is what you can feature if you are sending out emails, posting on social media, or any other digital placements you may be executing. To utilize your referral link, just click on Copy, which will copy your link to your clipboard, and then you can paste it wherever you'd like. Once an interested homeowner clicks on your link, they'll be taken to a landing page where they can fill out their own contact info. This form has additional fields than the one you're sent to when clicking on Add Referrals, as well as a spot where the homeowner's electric bill can be uploaded. If you yourself have the additional info when submitting a referral, you can just navigate to this form and utilize it to submit a referral with the additional info. Be sure to click on the two boxes which accept the terms and conditions as well as grants Green Home Systems permission to text your referral. Once the form is completed and Get Qualified is clicked on, the info is uploaded into our system and one of our solar specialists will follow up with them right away.